In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your student Google account. You'll want to start the Chrome web browser. Anytime you use any of the Google products, we want you to use the Chrome web browser. And you'll want to pull up the district website, norfolkpublicschools.org. Once the district website loads, across the top of the page you will see a Student Google link. Click Student Google. This will open a new tab, and it will ask you to input your username and password. Your username is your first name, middle initial, last name, all lowercase, no spaces. Your password is the password that you selected last year. Now, if you don't remember your password or you've never logged into Google before, you will want to see someone in your building, and typically those people are in the media center or the library, and they will be able to reset your password for you. I've entered my username and my password, and I will click Sign In. If this is the first time you're accessing your Google account, it will ask you to read through your terms of service and click the I accept button. This will open up your mail. Your mail will be used for communications between you and your teachers. You also have some other options of places that you can go in your Google account. If you click Drive at the top of the black bar, this will open up your Google Drive. Google Drive is where you will create new documents and where you will store those documents. Now, it asks you to download Drive for PC. Please do not do this on school machines. So to dismiss this message, we're actually going to create a new document. Click the red Create button and we'll click Document. And we're going to go ahead and click Untitled Document to name this, and then we'll just call it My First Doc. Click OK. And you'll notice that has opened up in a new tab. If we click that tab and close it, we should see that in my drive now I have a document. We don't need to have this message displayed at the top of my drive, so I'm going to click this X to dismiss this message. So remember, your drive is where you will create new documents and where those documents will be stored. Another area that you can go in your Google account is the calendar. If this is the first time you're accessing your calendar, it will ask you to perform a few setup steps. So we'll go ahead and click Next. The first thing you want to do is set your time zone. We are located in the Central Time Zone. If that is not displayed here, you can select it from the drop-down list. Click Next. The next screen is asking when you want to be reminded about events. You can have a pop-up message displayed on your screen 10 minutes before each event. You can choose that to any duration that you want. I might suggest that you leave this set, and you can always go back and change this later. We'll go to Next, Create Your First Event. This is showing you how to create that first event on your calendar, and we'll click the blue Start Using Google Calendar. All of these settings can be accessed and changed under the Settings cog. You've now signed into your Google account, and you now have access to creating documents, sending email, creating events on your calendar, and several other things. And you choose those by navigating through this black bar here at the top of your screen. When you're finished, don't forget to log out of your Google account. Click on your name here and click Sign Out.